Good day, everyone, and welcome back to TMacFPV, your home for our journey to better FPV fun, flights, and racing stuff. I'm Tom. Over the past two videos, we've learned to build our own do-it-yourself FPV racing flags and gates. Today, we put them all together into our backyard FPV racetrack, hosting the big event, Backyard Brawl 2018. If you like today's video, click on the thumbs up button below, share it with your family, friends, and coworkers, and please remember to subscribe to your channel. We'd love to hear from you, so please leave your comments below. Tell us what you thought about the event, the track design, and what you'd like to see in the future. Let's get to the action. Okay, this is a quick walkthrough of our FPV racetrack used in Backyard Brawl 2018. Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's event, the race of the year, Backyard Brawl 2018, between the heavily favored, and I don't say that lightly, Eachine Wizard X220 and the underdog DIATONE GTR90. Everyone who's anyone is here with us today. I'm Cal, and I'm proud to be half of your announcement team today. I'm joined by my distinguished colleague Joe. Joe, what do you think we can expect from today's matchup?
Well, Cal, I'm hoping that this is going to be televised on pay-per-view. Is that correct?
Well, I don't know about that, Joe, but I'm pretty sure it'll be on YouTube. If you were a betting man, who would you place your money on today?
Well, as much as I'd like to see little GT come away with the win, he's flying way outside his weight class, and I just don't see it happening. I'm going to have to go with the Wiz.
All right, Joe, let's go down ringside. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble. In the first quarter, weighing in 425 grams, swinging the painful purple Dow T5045 hybrid props, the heavily favored Eachine the Wiz X220. And in this quarter, weighing in at 87 grams, sporting the crystal bright blue Q2035C Dow Cyclone 4 blades, and wearing a brand spanking new Speedo SpedX 4-in-1 PSC, the featherweight yet spunky DIATONE GTR90. Alright, quads, we expect a fair race. Now bump blades and get to the starting line. Joe, did you just see that? The Wiz wouldn't even bump blades. He's disrespecting GT already.
Yeah, I saw it. It wasn't very sporting of him.
Well, they're at the start line now. The crowd is pumped and they're ready to fly. Less than 5. Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go racing. GT got off to a fast start. He beat Wiz to the first gate.
Wiz is looking sluggish.
GT's got a good lead on the Wiz.
Looks like he's in trouble.
It looks like GT's got about a half-lap lead already.
Wiz just didn't bring his A-game today.
GT's starting a second lap. He's flying smooth. Can GT pull this out? Unbelievable! GT wins!
Wiz is not going to be happy with his performance today.
No, he's going to be in a stew about this for a while.